I'll be showing you how to create a special album for Screensaver on your Galaxy S23. So if you want to use photos from your gallery on your Screensaver for your phone, then you might want to create a special folder so that only photos in that specific folder or album are picked by the Screensaver to appear on your screen. So what you want to do is go into your phone's gallery. Just tap on gallery and then go to albums. Okay, and then let's go ahead and create a new album strictly for Screensaver photos. So tap on the plus symbol and then choose what you want to create, select album. Okay, and then let's call this album Screensavers and create. Now let's go ahead and add some photos into that album. So we're going to go to recent where we can see all the photos, and then let's choose a couple of photos to add to that Screensaver album. So I'm going to choose a few photos. Like that. I've chosen 6 out of a possible 500, and then I can tap on done. Okay. Now it's going to ask, do we want to copy these photos into the album or to move them? I'm going to select copy so we can still remain with a copy of these photos in a different location besides the album. That's in case we want to delete that album in future. So I'll select copy. Those items are now going to be copied to our newly created folder called Screensavers. So here's our album here, Screensavers, with those 6 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, one video made its way in there. So with that created, you can now go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that, and then under display, scroll all the way down to Screensaver, tap on that, and then now you can choose either photo frame or photo table. Photo frame will basically show full-size screensavers, while the photo table option will create collages of different photos from the album. So let's try this. Tap on settings. If it's the first time, you might be required to give permission. Now what you want to do here is select your Screensavers album as the source of images for your screensaver. Okay, don't select anything else, just select Screensavers and then tap on back. So now to see a preview of what your screensaver will look like, just tap on preview, and now it's only going to draw from the pool of photos inside that specific folder or album called Screensavers. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. Now if you want to use a photo table, also it's going to be the same thing. You need to give photo table permission to access the gallery, so tap on that and then have it pull from the Screensavers album, then go back, and then now you can do a preview, and as you can see, it's going to have that animated collage, so to speak. So that's going to be your screensaver. That is basically how to use specific images from your gallery as your screensaver images on your Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.